And regarding cooking food and all, I don't know whether your mother has taught, because she herself didn't know how to cook, or she knew but then she never did cook. She was never interested in doing anything at all. She was simply laying down, and then she would eat. If you give anything, make and give anything, she will eat. Take to any hotel, she'll eat anything she wants. That much you can do. For that, that this kind of behavior is not good for married life, because tomorrow if you have kids and the kid wants something to eat, you'll ask the mother, not the father. I want this. Then it's not it does not look good if you or pick a phone and order on this one Swiggy or Zomato. Bring this, bring that, and so there won't be that touch, and the children won't be close to their parents. Even if you hire a cook or a servant to cook food, the children will grow up to be close to the cook or the servant or the delivery guy than to the mother. Okay, that is not a healthy sign for any society. Not just a family. For any society, it is not healthy. So why a woman needs to cook food, learn to cook food, is because only of the children. Forget the husband. Your husband can eat outside, or in some hotel, or outside he can manage. But if a situation like Corona comes and all the hotels are closed, what then? What then? Even there is no maid. Maid also can't come. Servant also can't come and cook. You have to know at least something to cook, right? Nothing. If you don't know anything, what you'll cook and eat? You'll eat shit, is it? So that's the reason you should learn all these things. These things are required to run a family. It is not that at least something you should know. Otherwise, don't venture into marriage and all. Because the Indian, it's not just the Indian mentality. Any person or anywhere in the world, if there is somebody to look after the house at home, that is the wife, then the husband can go out and conquer the world and do whatever he wants, or earn and give whatever money he can. But if he is not fed properly, and the children are not fed properly, everybody will be having problem regarding. And this is not just it does not just hold good for Indian situation. It is all over the world. It is like this. You see any family wherein husband and wife are there and children are there. If the wife is taking care of the children and the household chores and all these things, the husband can go and earn money outside, do some job without any tension, and bring the goods to the house so that everybody is fed, and that's how you lead a family life. Family life is not just go joining some job and then simply you go and earn money, and then maybe you can hire a cook. That is not a family life. Ultimately, there is the touch of the mother, the touch of the wife, the care of the wife, the care of the mother to the children and to the husband from the wife. This matters a lot. That is what decides the future of the children also. The children will learn what the parents are. Parents are irresponsible. They don't have any responsibility, nothing. The children also will be like that only. So if you want to have a wholesome life, this is important. Otherwise, don't venture into this marriage and all. Simply, will be spoiling, and there is no guarantee that every husband can afford, to give you a wonderful, lavish life. There is no guarantee that you will get a prince with a shining sword. All that happens in the movie. Real life is this what this Sharon Algodi, the great mother you have, underwent. fall in love with someone, think that she will be treated as a princess, and then that fellow didn't turn up, and then you fall in love with some other fellow, and then that also he also didn't marry. Then you marry someone else, and then you see, no, then you make comparisons. Oh, she was like that. If you would have given me such life, that, this, and all. Then okay, neither you are happy here, neither you are happy there. You could not lead that life. All this will happen, and then okay, either you leave the husband and then take divorce, then find some other guy, and then that guy, however it is. Just look at the way this Franklin Joseph Fox or Wolf is. Just look, is it? It doesn't look as a pair only. So what if you don't get a high-fi or very rich boy in marriage? Then you have to at least have some kind of education, and then you have to have some kind of job wherein you have a certain income, so that you can make your ends meet and be supportive to your husband. Okay, all these things should be looked into before getting into a marriage. Simply, backup, nothing, and then you don't know to cook also, you don't have a proper job also, earning little money, and then showing all the nakras that that I won't do this, I won't do that, my mother didn't teach this, my mother didn't teach that, feminism, all this bullshit. Okay, it won't. This won't ensure that you have a happy married life. You will have only problematic life if you get married. What will happen is no job, proper job, no income, and no backup. Okay, backup income should be there at least. That also not there. Simply chumma you get married for the sake of getting married. Then think that you are a princess and you are treated like a princess all your life. Then expect the man also to treat you like a princess. Treating like a princess, okay, fine, but you don't know to do any of the work, and so you feel it is a menial thing to do all such things at home, that you feel as if you are a servant. You have been made to do servant job. Then don't get married and spoil some boy's life. Don't do that. That's the reason I am telling you all this. Regarding cooking, I'll give one more example. There is one supposedly fine gentleman by name Kripal Amarnath. The way he behaves looks very fine. Okay. He goes to each and every hotel and then he eats, and he gives reviews of the food of whatever he eats. Okay, that is his job. He has made it his job, going and eating, and then free food, and then giving one review. This is his job. So what happened now? This one Corona lockdown happened. Now he was forced to stay at home, and now his wife knows only to prepare that white rice. And he himself, I don't know whether he himself prepared or not. He himself would have prepared. I don't think his wife knows how to prepare food. And there is no maid also, because lockdown, everybody is sitting at home. And chili saru, rasam and white rice. How many days? Last 30-40 days he has eaten only was rasam and white rice. Now they opened lockdown slightly in Bangalore. He ran to Nagarjuna restaurant, and then he has posted a video saying that I went to Nagarjuna restaurant and then he has bought parcel. 2-3 bags parcel he has bought. As if he has bought food, as if he never saw food. Okay. So that's the reason, the woman should know how to cook food. Otherwise, such a case, what will happen? No, you won't. You don't know. You can just boil water and drink. Or boil some rice and then make rasam. That too, if you know. Otherwise, you don't know. you will end up eating your own shit, that's all. That for that also to come, you should eat something, right? So very important, this is not a joke. Every woman who is married should know to cook some food, minimum at least. बच्चे को अगर खाना की ज़रूरत है तो खाना कम पका के देना. हाँ, and that's the reason I tell, woman, why it is important for women to know how to cook food. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅದ್ಮಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮೆಸೇಜು. ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಟುಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್.